Joan and Alan had some money. Two-thirds of Joan's money was half of what Alan had. If Alan spent all his money on a book that cost $45 and a wallet that cost $98, we're asked how much did Joan and Alan have all together? Okay, so we've got Joan and we've got Alan. Two-thirds of Joan's money was one half of what Alan had. Okay, so we've got Joan, and let's see if we can try and capture this. Two-thirds of Joan's money. So Joan's money is being split into thirds. Okay, so we're going to have 1, 2, and 3. So that's Joan's money. And it says that two-thirds, okay, was half of what Alan had. So I'm going to draw that. All right, so that is the same as two-thirds, and I'm actually going to split it as well. All right, so that is the same as two-thirds of Joan's, but we're told that this is half of what Alan actually has. So if this is half and it's two parts, then I need to add another 2 parts for Alan. Okay, and I think I have captured everything there. Now it says if Alan spent all his money on a book that cost 45 and a wallet that cost 98, how much did Joan and Alan have altogether? Now, so we've got this a book and we've got a wallet. We don't need to worry what these particular items were. The important bit of information here is that was all of his money. So all of his money was a book costing 45, okay, and a wallet that cost 98. All right, so all of his money, okay, was 45 plus 98. And 45 plus 98 gives us, if we add those together, that is 143. Okay, so Alan had $143 altogether. Now we have split Alan's, we want to find out what's the value of each of these parts. So if we divide 143, if we divide that by 4, we are going to get the value of each of these parts. Okay, and if we do that, that's going to give us 35.75. Now, you might not have liked that if you tried this on your own, because that's the first time in this series that we have had a decimal answer. But that's the correct answer, 35.75. And that is what each of these parts, this is 35.75. Each of these parts is worth that. Okay, this is 35.75 because we know that these are all equal. Okay, so what are we asked? We are asked, how much did Joan and Alan have altogether? That's all of this. That's our question mark. All right, so how many parts, how many 35.75s are there in this whole model? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to do 35.75 and we need to multiply that by 7. Okay, it would be really good if you did that in a long multiplication, or actually you don't need a long multiplication, you just need a normal multiplication, but you have to put in your decimal point. Okay, just put your decimal point in you got it in the question, you put it down in the answer. So do make sure that you practice doing that. And if you do it right, you are going to get that this comes out at 250.25. Okay, and that is our final answer. Our final answer is in happens to be in dollars because these questions are in Singapore dollars, in case you were interested. And That's our final answer. 250, 70, sorry, 25. Okay, let me erase that little bit there. Okay, that's our final answer.